It's a lightweight cordless vacuum, guys. Guess what, guys? For $37.99 you can have this cordless vacuum, guys. It's actually lightweight, which is true. Everything is on the box. We have extra stuff in here. I forgot to show you guys. Guys, as I said, it's worth it for $37.99. And this is the charger for that. And I already hooked that up. I hooked this up. You can take it out if you want to, but other than that, I'll show you guys how it works. Let me pull this out. Oops, sorry guys, I don't really want to do that, but I will. Here you go, guys. See, he's been charged already before he gets here, so here is that side. You can just stick the battery in there. And guess what, guys? Let's try it, guys.